Welcome to the Memorizing Tarot Cards podcast, your 3-minute lessons on learning and memorizing each card using symbolism. I use the Rider Waite Tarot if you would like to view the card while you listen using your own tarot card deck or a computer. Today, we're exploring the King of Pentacles, focusing on reversals. First, let's start with the divine meaning of the card, and then the meaning when reversed. The King of Pentacles upright is a figure of success, wealth, and stability. He represents the ability to build a solid foundation, create abundance, and lead others with wisdom and generosity. When reversed, this card suggests that you may be handling power, finances, or responsibilities in an imbalanced way. You might be overly focused on material success, neglecting other important aspects of life, or struggling to maintain control. The reversed King of Pentacles can indicate a misuse of resources or a lack of integrity in handling wealth or authority. Next, let's talk about how to read the King of Pentacles in a reading. When the King of Pentacles reversed appears in a reading, it's often a sign that you must reevaluate your relationship with success and money. This card encourages you to balance building wealth and maintaining personal integrity and well-being. It may also suggest that you need help with leadership or control. If you're in a position of authority, the reversed King of Pentacles asks you to consider whether you're being too rigid or controlling in your approach. This card suggests that loosening your grip on control could lead to better outcomes and relationships that are more harmonious. Let's talk about ways to memorize the King of Pentacles reversed. I find it helpful to think of a situation in my life that I can tie to the card. For example, my reverse King of Pentacles moment has been recently. I have learned how much I need control over my environment. My home falls under management of resources, and we enjoy the tranquility of a rural setting and the quiet nature of our home. There are just the two of us, and we do not have cable TV in the house. We sit down occasionally to watch a movie together on Netflix or Amazon Prime. Our home is quiet. This summer, we have had 3 rounds of company back-to-back over 5.5 weeks. And truthfully, it has been wonderful. Friends and family that we love have been joining us in our space, and we have been dining together, sightseeing, and visiting. As I write this, we are at the end of a 3-week visit with my husband's family from Germany. They are lovely, and we have had a lot of fun together. However, I have found myself in a King of Pentacles reversed because I cannot get a plan nailed down with this group. I have had to manage my need to control the plan and be flexible around meals and non-stop noise. I don't need to control this group, but as the weeks have progressed, I am improving at turning my King of Pentacles upright, as it has been a pleasure to be with them. However, when I am hungry and can't reach a consensus, I need to manage my stress and remind myself that I will not starve if we wait. This card reminds us that letting go of control and going with the flow will lead to better outcomes. Of course, to memorize tarot, keep practicing tarot. As you listen to these 3-minute lessons, you will consistently remember the symbolism that applies across different cards in the deck. Thank you for listening. Join us for more 3-minute lessons to memorize more cards.